Hey! My name is Molly Pretzel and this is my beginner pole dance series. So today we're going to be talking about inverting, and this might be one of my more unpopular opinions to talk about. So if you have comments on anything I say in this video, please let me know in the comments and I might consider listening to you. However, I feel like in this case I'm right, and if you do what I tell you, then you're not going to be injured and you're going to have a happy, healthy pole dance life forever. So for me, inverting is all about strength. If you're not strong enough to invert, then you just shouldn't do it. So I'm also gonna post a video with some conditioning for pole dancing later today. And so if you don't feel strong enough, use those conditioning videos. It's even gonna be without the pole, so you should be able to do it at home just to get stronger in order to be able to invert. So, inverting, yay! First of all, you need your skin. So take off that cloth, because we need to place the pole just over the hip and under the rib. So you have like a squeezy part here where you need to be able to place the pole. So first of all, I'm gonna place my butt on the pole. From here, I'll have my legs out like this, and I go to the side. I lean backwards. Feel the squeezy part. You might need to take out on your shorts a little. Feel the squeezy part here. From here, I keep this point where it's at. So like if a nail was just shot into my body. So in here. From here, I'm gonna lift up my chest. So still feeling the skin. Elbow goes to my hip, hand down and hand down. This seems very awkward in the beginning, but if you practice it up, it's gonna help you. So when you practice this very awkward position a couple of times to each side to make sure that you are really coming down, making sure that you stick here, elbow is in, and you're standing here and everything is good. Make sure that you're squeezing together your elbows, like if you wanted to show off your boobies. From here, we're gonna lift up our legs like a frog, meaning that one leg is gonna go as high as it can on one side of the shoulder, other one, and the other side. So just like that. So we're gonna go awkward position, go. Push together. From here, lift up your knees to each side. You can start testing. Is it possible? Good. If it's possible, lift up your knees and come back down again. Practice this a lot of times until you feel good and you feel like in case you should go any further, you will still be hanging into this part of your skin. For me, this straddle is much more about this than these. So now we're gonna take the entry I find the easiest, that's called the dragon. You want to be in this position with your arms. What we need to be aware of is that this part of our arm is still sticking. So I'm gonna invert by stretching my arms and going like this with my arms. Not this, which might happen in the beginning. So make sure that when you invert now, you still stick here, you stretch your arms, go downward till you feel the pole on your whole arm. So just a little bit of basic knowledge. The more skin you have attached to the pole, the easier the trick or the exercise is. So the more skin, when you're a beginner, the better. So you want to be here, you want to squeeze, you want to lift, and for dragon you're going to take your outside leg, the leg furthest away off the pole, and placing the foot or the heel on the pole. So you go here, you take your heel up. From here, you're gonna look backwards and straighten, and you're in a dragon, and you invert it for the first time, and come back down again. Make sure every time you go down from the pole, you're gonna do it slowly by using your muscles. Nothing great is gonna come from you falling down except of a lot of pain in your shoulder blade. So make sure, calm down slowly. So now for the more advanced inversion. What you need to think about is that it's exactly the same thing, still sticking to the skin here. Now it's just gonna be 3 steps. So we're gonna go here, like this. Now step 1 is here as you know it. Step 2, straighten your arms. Step 3, straighten your legs. So come back down again, tuck in, and go down slowly. And this is the only way to enter in the beginning. This, nothing good comes from it. You're just gonna destroy your joints, your muscles, everything. I know a lot of people say, yeah. But in the beginning, we can just go up like this and then we can like learn to do it proper. There's no reason in doing it the wrong way from the beginning. So make yourself a big favor. Pull yourself up by using your leg, bending first, teaching your body to bend the leg, teaching your body to go backward and then straighten. When you get more advanced, you can also do it with straight legs. Nothing wrong with that. So if you feel like this was easy, if you did some strength exercise before, you can also do this by keeping your legs straight, pulling to the side, and coming up, and coming back down again. This was a little bit of basic inverting. We did a dragon, and number 2 is called a straddle, or an open V, and it probably has more names. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you will succeed in your pole dance journey. I will see you later today, where I will be posting the conditioning video with a little bit of exercises you can do in order to become stronger to invert on the pole. See you guys!